The term naval tactics unveils a narrative that unfolds across the vast and dynamic theaters of the world's oceans, where strategic thinking, maneuvering, and decisiveness shape the outcomes of naval conflicts. It is a story woven with the threads of naval history, where the evolution of tactics mirrors advancements in technology, intelligence, and the ever-changing nature of maritime warfare. Imagine the early days of naval warfare, where wooden warships with billowing sails engaged in broadside battles on open seas. This marks the genesis of naval tactics, as captains grappled with the challenges of wind, weather, and the intricacies of ship handling. The narrative includes the era of line-of-battle tactics, where fleets formed linear formations to maximize firepower and maintain cohesion during engagements. As the narrative progresses, the age of sail gives way to the era of steam and steel. Naval tactics evolve with the introduction of steam propulsion, rifled cannons, and armored vessels. The advent of ironclads and the transition from sail to steam redefined the dynamics of naval engagements. The story explores the tactical considerations of naval blockade, amphibious operations, and the challenges posed by the shifting technologies of the 19th century. The early 20th century witnesses the strategic revolution of naval aviation. The narrative unfolds against the backdrop of World War I, where aircraft carriers and seaplanes introduce a new dimension to naval tactics. The Battle of Jutland in 1916 becomes a landmark moment, showcasing the challenges of integrating new technologies and tactics within the traditional framework of naval warfare. The interwar years set the stage for further innovations in naval tactics. The use of aircraft carriers as primary strike platforms, the development of radar, and advancements in submarine warfare become pivotal chapters in the narrative. The Battle of Midway in World War II stands out as a testament to the decisive impact of carrier-based air power on naval engagements. The Cold War era introduces a dynamic balance of naval tactics, marked by the strategies of anti-submarine warfare, naval blockades, and the constant threat of nuclear escalation. The narrative reflects the strategic considerations of superpowers as they deploy fleets across global oceans, engage in proxy conflicts, and maintain a delicate balance of power. In the contemporary era, naval tactics adapt to the challenges of asymmetric warfare, littoral operations, and the integration of advanced technologies. The narrative explores the intricacies of modern naval warfare, where precision-guided missiles, electronic warfare, and network-centric operations redefine the rules of engagement. Naval forces become key players in addressing transnational threats such as piracy, terrorism, and illicit trafficking. The narrative of naval tactics extends beyond traditional military applications to include humanitarian assistance, disaster relief, and maritime security. Navies collaborate in multinational task forces, contributing to global stability and crisis response. The story reflects the importance of international cooperation in addressing common maritime challenges. The advent of artificial intelligence, unmanned systems, and cyber capabilities introduces a new frontier in naval tactics. The narrative explores how these technologies shape the battlespace, enhance situational awareness, and influence decision-making in the maritime domain. In essence, the term naval tactics encapsulates a narrative that mirrors the evolution of human ingenuity in navigating and controlling the seas. It is a tale of strategic brilliance, adaptability, and the constant pursuit of an advantage in the ever-changing theater of maritime warfare. From the cannon volleys of bygone eras to the precision-guided missiles of today, naval tactics continue to be a dynamic and crucial element in the complex tapestry of global security and maritime operations.